Linear differential equation for 4 marks or 7 marks. Okay. Question number 1. Solve dy by dx minus y tan x is equals to e power x secant x. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Here y term is coming only one time and its degree is 1. So it is linear in y has degree 1. It is coming only one time. Okay. Others are x, x, x. So we have to use integration factor is equals to e to the power of p dx. Okay. So the solution will be y into integration factor is equals to integration q I dx plus c. First we have to find integration factor. P is nothing but minus tan x. C. P value is minus tan x and Q value is e power x secant x. Find e power p dx, integration of p dx. Integration factor is to e to the power of p dx. P is tan x minus. Okay. Now integration of tan x is nothing but log cos x. See, tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x. But we have minus sin x cos x. Okay. Now we know f of x is nothing but f dash of x. Cos x is nothing but minus sin x. So log f of x. We have the formula integration of f dash of x. F of x is nothing but log f of x. So log cos x. F of x cos x. Here e is there. So e log cos x is e. So this e gets cancelled by this. Okay, with log. So you will get only cos x. So if equals to cos x. Therefore the general solution is y into if q if x plus c. Y into if is cos. We have to substitute if is equals to q is e power x secant x into if is cos x dx. Here secant x is nothing but 1 by cos. Okay. See. Secant x is 1 by cos x. Cos x gets cancelled. You will get e power x dx. Okay. Integration of e power x dx is nothing but e power x plus c. This is the answer. Y cos x plus e power x plus c. Next question. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equals to e to the power of tan inverse x. The linear in y. We are getting only one y here and others are in x terms. So it's the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. First we have to convert this equation in the form of dy by dx. Not only dy by dx here. So dividing whole equation by 1 plus x square. So to remove this we are dividing whole equation by 1 plus x square. So y by 1 plus x square. E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay. So p is equals to 1 by 1 plus square and q is this. Okay. Now we want integration factor. As this is linear in y, so integration factor is e to the power p dx equals to e to the power of is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square dx. E to the power of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x. Formula of tan inverse x. Okay. Now general solution will be into integration factor is equals to integration q into if, that is integration factor dx. Now substitute this value here. Y into e to the power of tan inverse x. Integration q is how much? E to the power of tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square into e to the power of tan inverse x. This is if value. Okay. Y into e to the power of tan inverse x is equals to e to the power of tan inverse x is coming 2 times, so whole square by 1 plus x square, same as it is. Now we'll use substitution method. T is equals to tan inverse x. Okay. Now differentiate. T will become dt is equal to tan inverse x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now substituting this. See, e tan inverse x is t. Okay. E power t upon dx by 1 plus x square is nothing but dt. So at the place of this we are substituting dt e to the power of t whole. Okay. E to the power of 2t dt. Okay. e power of 2t is nothing but e power of 2t, but we have to differentiate this also. Okay, so 2t differentiation is nothing but 2 into 1, which is nothing but 2, so divide by 2. Okay, so y into e to the power of tan inverse x is equals to e to the power 2. T value is how much? Tan inverse x. Now substitute tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Question number 3. dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to sin x. It is form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. It is linear in y because y is coming only one time and its degree is 1. Okay, so integration factor will be e to the power of p dx, e to the power of py means p tan x dx, e to the power of log secant x. So integration of tan x is log secant x, because in the previous question we got integration of tan x is log cos x, but minus was there here. Okay, see, sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x. So if we integrate, it is in the form of f of x by f dash of x. Okay, so we want this sign because cos derivative is nothing but minus sin x. So we are multiplying and dividing by minus. Okay, so you will get minus, one minus will be extra here. So minus f of x. F of x is nothing but cos x minus log cos x. Log mod f of x is the answer. Okay, see, for f of x, f dash of x, so log f dash of x and f of x. So the for answer for this is nothing but log mod f of x. So f of x is nothing but cos x, but here minus is there, so minus log cos x. Okay, this minus 1 will become the power of this minus 1. So cos x of minus 1, whenever the power is minus, it will go in the denominator 1 by cos x to make the power plus. So 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x. Okay, so here minus was missing, so we are multiplying and dividing by minus. So 1 minus is extra here, so here minus is coming. Okay, so minus will become power here minus 1, so it will be in the denominator now to get plus 1. 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x nothing but secant x. Okay, if tan x is positive, you will get secant x. If tan x is negative, you will get log cos x. Okay, now this e and this e, log e base e and this e gets cancelled, you will get secant x. So the integration factor is secant x. Now we have to substitute in this general solution. Y integration factor is equal to integration of q into integration factor dx. Integration factor is nothing but secant x. Just now we got y into secant x is equals to sin x and secant x. Sin x into secant x dx. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. Now sin x, 1 is sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x. So tan x integration is log secant x. Just now we have seen y secant x is equals to log secant x plus c is the answer. Question number 4, x log x dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 log x. Okay, here only one y term is there, others are in x terms. Okay, so this is linear equation, linear in y. Okay, first we want only dy by dx, so remove this. For removing this, we are dividing whole equation by x log x. Here if you divide by x log x, you will get 1. Okay, y by x log x, so we are writing as 1 by x log x. Okay, to get py is equals to 2 log x by x log x. Log x gets cancelled, 2 by x. Okay, now it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay, so p is nothing but 1 by x log x and q is 2 by x. So the integration factor will be e to the power p dx is equals to e to the power 1 by x log dx. P value. Now here we are using substitution method because log x derivative is 1 by x. Log x is there and its derivative is also there. So we can use substitution method. See, take log x t. So derivative of log x is nothing but 1 by x dx is equals to dt. See, 1 by x dx is nothing but dt now. So at the place of 1 by x dx, we are substituting dt, and at the place of log x, we are substituting t. So 1 by t and 1 by x dx is nothing but dt. So 1 by t, integration of 1 by t is nothing but log t. So e power log t is how much? Log x base e. Okay, so this log base e and this e gets cancelled and you will get only log x. Okay, so the integration factor is log x. Now the general equation is y into integration factor is equals to integration of q into if, that is integration factor into dx. We have to substitute integration factor here. Y into log x is equals to 2 by x. If is log x dx. Okay, take 2 outside, it will become log x by x dx. Again it is in the form of, that is, here log x is there and its derivative is 1 by x, so we can again use substitution method here. Log x is equals to t, then log x derivative is 1 by x dx, which is nothing but t derivative is dt and log x derivative is 1 by x dx. So at the place of 1 by x dx we are substituting dt at the place of log t. Okay, derivative of, integration of t is nothing but t square by 2. As we know, integration of x power n is how much? X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, here at the place of x, we are having t. So, t to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, t square by 2. These two gets cancelled. You will get t square plus c. T is nothing but log x. So, log x whole square plus c. So, the answer is y log x is equal to log x square plus c is the answer. Question number 5, x plus y plus 1 dy by dx is equals to 1. These are in multiplication. So, we have to transfer this dx by dy. Okay. So, x plus y plus 1 is equals to dx by dy. Now, both are linear. Both degree is 1. So, dx by dy, take x here. Minus x is equals to y plus 1. Okay, now it is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equals to q, because here dx by dy is there. So, it is in linear in x. We have to apply. Okay, for this the integration factor is e to the power of p dy. And the general solution will be x into if is equals to integration of q into if dy plus c. Okay, here p is minus 1 and q is y plus 1. P is minus 1, Q is y plus 1. So, integration factor is e to the power of P dy. E to the power P is minus 1 dy. Take minus here. So, integration of dy is nothing but y. E to the power of minus y is the integration factor. Now, we have to substitute in general equation x into integration factor, integration q into if dy. X into e to the power of minus y, q value is y plus 1, e power minus y dy. Multiply this with both these. Okay, multiply e power minus y with this and 1 also. Okay, so now give separately integration of y e power minus y dy plus integration of e power minus y dy. We know this, but here both are in multiplication, so we have to apply uv rule. After applying uv rule, you will get this value minus y plus 1 e power minus y. This one e power minus y integration is e power minus y, but minus y derivative is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1. Here minus is coming plus c. Now take, multiply here first, minus y e power minus y minus e power minus y minus e power minus y. Okay, now minus y e power minus y, they are coming 2 times, so minus 2 e power minus y. Okay, we can take e power minus y common with minus sign, so you will get y plus 2 plus c, same as it is. Okay, the final answer is x e power minus y is equals to minus e power minus y plus 2 plus c. Okay, question number 6, cos x dy by dx plus y sin x is equals to secant square x. Here y term is coming one time, it means it is in y. Okay, so first we want only dy by dx, so remove cos x first. So for removing these, we have to divide whole equation by cos x. Cos x by cos x is 1, so you get dy by dx plus y sin x by cos x is equals to secant square x by cos x. Okay, dy by dx plus y sin by cos theta is nothing but tan theta is equals to secant square x into 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x. Bases are power should be added, you will get secant cube. Okay. Now the equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q py. So p is tan x and q is secant x. Okay. P and the integration factor is e to the power of p dx is equals to e to the power of p is nothing but tan x dx. Tan x derivative is log secant x base e. This e and e gets cancelled. You will get secant x. Integration factor is secant x now. Okay, we have to substitute in general equation y integration factor is equals to integration q into I dx. Okay, y into secant x. So q is secant cube x into secant x. Bases are same, power should be added here. 1 is there, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Integration of secant power 4x dx. See, secant power 4x can be written as secant square theta into secant square x. That is secant square theta into secant square theta. Okay, it is in the terms of x, so secant square x into secant square x. So 1 secant square x same it is, and other we can write it as 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay, multiply secant square x, 1 is a secant square x plus secant square x into tan x. Now giving integration and dx also. Okay, secant square integration is nothing but tan, and for this we are using substitution method. If you take secant square tan x is equals to t, then its derivative is secant square x dx. T derivative is t. Okay, so at place of tan x we have to substitute t. Here is this, so t square, and secant square x is nothing but dt. Okay, integration of t square is t cube by 3, that is 2 plus 1 3, by 2 plus 1 is 3. Tan x plus t is nothing but tan x whole cube by 3. See, this is important question. Okay, so the final answer y secant x is equals to tan x to the power 3 by 3 plus c.